Hi everyone, it's Matthew again, and today is 7th of October. Let me close this. I think we got some small profit right here. The 7th of October 2022, and this is our first strategy on this broker platform. And as stated earlier, on the 5th of October, for those who haven't signed up yet on this broker platform, is the link to sign up for a free trading account. Just go right now. We are trading Forex on the platform. Is a new platform which I introduced to you guys just a few days ago, and I'm sure most of our subscribers are not aware yet and have not signed up yet. So first thing you have to do is to sign up, because we stated henceforth that we're going to be releasing trading strategies on the broker platform, and we're going to be releasing free automated trading bots on the broker platform. So this is a link to sign up for a free trading account. Just go and sign up right now. You can use it to sign up. Then the next thing is to subscribe to all our channels. These are the links to subscribe to our channels. You can see them right here. The first channel, second channel, then the third channel. So we're going to paste all these informations on the video description on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you sign up right now before we proceed. Once you sign up, activate your account by uploading your international passport and your address and all that. So make sure you do all that for your account to be active, and you can fund your account to commence your trading. So we are trading the Euro USD in this strategy, and I'm going to explain this strategy so you can see. I place a buy order. So I'm going to set my TP. I'm going to set my TP. Place a buy order. I'm going to set my TP to 170. Okay, you can see already in profit there, but I can close that and take that into profit. So we made about $2 right there. So let me explain this to you. So once you sign up, you can log into your account. Then you go to the trade interface. You trade on the terminal, not on the MT5. So then you go to the minutes. You set this to 1 minute. Then you make sure you are on the Euro USD. You also click on the Euro USD. You will see it right here. So we are using an indicator, the chaikin volatility indicator. So once you do that, then you are going to see this right here. You're going to see this stuff right here. Once you click on it, then you are going to draw a line. You go to the line section, then you draw a line. This is a line I've drawn right here. So I can actually, I've drawn another line. So let me delete that one. So once you draw your line, you can change the color for you to be able to identify the line. You change the color. So you can see the way I drew my line is facing, it's not that parallel, it's facing up a bit. So I can extend it, I can also push it. So I will leave it right there for me to be able to watch the movement of this indicator. So you are not watching the down, the up one, you are watching the down one. So once this thing is pushing right down, you are going to be buying. Once it's going right up, you are going to click on sell. So we are watching the edges of this stuff right there. Once it's dropping right now, you are going to click on buy. Then you now set your TP. So it's not compulsory you wait for it to hit the TP. It's not compulsory, but you can, once you know you are on, you can close your trade immediately and just take whatever profit you see there. It's okay for you. So let's watch. We are watching the edges. You can see it has gone right down. So we click on buy. We place buy there. We watch the edges there. Then I'm going to set the TP. You click on this plus. So what you are going to be doing is to add some few numbers to this. You can see our entry spot is 49 or something of 40. Let's check the entry spot. So you can set the TP to, just delete 2 from this one. You can set it to 80. And you click on modify. So you stay online, you watch this stuff. Once you are in profit here, you can quickly close the trade. So let's just wait a bit to hit profit. Let's wait a bit. You can see as it's pushing right up, it's not compulsory that you stay online, but if you want to close the trade, maybe you want to go somewhere, you can set your SL as well. SL means stop loss. You can set your SL that when it hits certain limits, it should stop to avoid losing a lot of money. So when you stay online, you can see it's pushing right up. It's pushing right up. So once this thing changes to green, you will know you are in profit. So if you are okay with the profits, then you can just close the trade. One thing I didn't mention is the volume here. Make sure you set the volume per lot. So the higher the volume you set, the higher your margin. So you can set the volume to maybe 0.25, 0.50 or 1 point so the higher it is, the higher the stake, then the higher your margin. So I set mine to 0.15. You can also change this to margin for you to know. You can see is we are staking with 73. So as this thing is going right up, as it's going right up, the profit will be increasing, and as it's going right down, the profit will also be reducing. So let's just wait. Let me change it back to lots. Change it back to lots. You have to wait. One thing about Forex is you have to be patient. It can take a while for you to hit profit. You have to be patient, and since you set our TP, once it hits the profit, then they close the trade by itself. If you want to stay, you can see we are already profit there 135, so I close the trade right there. So I can also wait for it to hit the TP. You can see it's already going right up. So it's already going right up. So that's it. So as it's going right up, as this thing is pushing right down again, you can place a buy order again. You can see we are watching the down indicator. You can place a buy order again. So that's it, guys. You can just keep trading. Just make sure you master this. We are going to release more strategies as well. So make sure you sign up using any of this link to commence your trading. You can use any of the links to sign up to commence your trading. One thing about Forex is you can make a lot of money and is regulated, unlike the binary options, which is owned by one broker, and Forex is regulated, and the market is, if you are good and you have a good strategy, you can make a lot of money. And as stated earlier, we're going to be releasing free automated trading bots that works on this broker platform. So make sure you subscribe and sign up. Thanks for watching. Bye.